Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's that 2024 911 Carrera 4 GTS. So all-wheel drive. These put out over 470 horsepower. Really nice in Carmine Red. Has a glass sunroof, which accents the car very nicely with the black wheels and the dark top here. Do a quick walk around here, and then we'll go inside. Of course, we have sport exhaust. This car also has surround view. You can tell that by the camera here on the mirror. It has adaptive cruise too. Two ways to tell that. One is the radar down here, the ball down there in the center of the grille, as well as the inside on the cruise control stock. Let's go inside. Inside here, as you can see, we have a combination of leather with a Carmine Red Stitching. What we used to call Alcantara, now Race Tex on the armrests and on the seats. This has a GTS Interior. So we have the Carmine Red Stitching. We also have the red seat belts, which is a nice accent. These are Porsche's 18-way seats. So these, the bolsters around your hips and thighs are a little more pronounced, as well as around your shoulders. And then the bolsters adjustment down here for the ones around your hips and thighs as well. They adjust out and in. As we go inside, start it up. As it sits, this car has an unbelievable 122 miles. It does have a heated steering wheel. Also, as the steering wheel is in Race Tex, but it's nice that that's now available in heated as well. Down here again on the cruise control, we see the adaptive cruise stock and paddle. Over here, coming to the center console, we see that it has front axle lift, which is really nice in the car like this with the lowered suspension. Again, the button here for the sport exhaust, and then the PASM setting, which stiffens the shock absorber in the suspension. Down here, we also have heated seats. Given that they are in Race Tex, we don't have ventilation, but you don't really need it with the cloth in the middle here. And some nice carbon fiber accents up here on the dash and down here on the center console. Any questions about the car, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.